Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Substack Wordmark. First, log into your Substack account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Now, on the lower left, go to Settings. Here, to access your wordmark, go to Websites under Appearance. Then, go to your theme editor. Now, go to Branding Sections. And in here, you'll have the option to add in your publication wordmark. So go ahead and add an image and upload one. Now, select your wordmark, open it, and that's it. A wordmark is a type of logo design that's made up entirely of stylized text, usually the brand's name, without any separate icons or symbols. And now, you have your own wordmark in Substack. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a wordmark. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.